Scikit-learn classifier with custom score dependent on a training feature. I am trying to train a random forest classifier with a custom score whose output needs to be dependent on one of the features. The X dataset contains 18 features. The Y is the usual array of zeros and ones. The random forest classifier with custom scorer is used within a grid search instance. Grid search classifier, param_grid equals, scoring equals custom_scorer. Custom scorer is defined via scikit-learn function make_scorer. Custom_scorer equals make_scorer custom_scorer function. Greater underscore is underscore better equals true. This framework is very straightforward if the custom_scorer function is dependent only on y_true and y_pred. However, in my case I need to define a scorer which makes use of one of the 18 features contained in the X dataset, i.e. depending on the values of y_pred and y_true, the custom score will be a combination of them and the feature. My question is, how can I pass the feature into the custom_scorer function given that its standard signature accepts y_true and y_pred? I am aware it accepts extra quarks, but passing the entire feature array in this way doesn't solve the problem, as this function is invoked for each couple of y_true and y_pred values. Would need to extract the individual feature value corresponding to them to make this working, which I am not sure can be done. I have tried to augment the y_true array, packing that feature into it and unpacking it within the custom_scorer function. First column are the actual labels, second columns are the feature values I need to calculate the custom scores. However, doing so violates the requirements of the classifier of having a 1D labels array and triggers the following error. Value error, unknown label type, continuous multi-output. Any help is much appreciated. Thank you.
You can do something like this. Note you have given no real code, so this is bare bones.
Mas o que não tira desse